Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will check on CSS selectors using ID and class. CSS selectors allows us to locate elements using their ID and class attributes in a very clean and readable way. Using ID in CSS is simple. We use the hash symbol. Using class in CSS is done using the dot symbol. In real automation projects, CSS selectors built with ID and class are faster and more stable than XPath, which is why they are more used in modern frameworks. Here, in example, if we see Selenium uses a CSS selector with the name attribute to locate the element email field. Then it uses CSS selector for the password field. And finally clicks on the login button using CSS selector. If I try to run the application, first it will launch the browser and it will try to find the elements using the CSS selectors which we have provided. And once it is completed, it will print the message in the console. So by this, we can see that this is how CSS selectors can target elements cleanly and efficiently. And also one more thing is CSS selectors using ID and class gives you both speed and clarity. In the previous video, while we were using the attribute by.id locators, we found that Cogmento application which we are using for demo doesn't have many ID attributes. So in the same example, if we see instead of using CSS selector, we did not use any ID selectors. Means in the input parameter we did not provide any ID using the hash or dot class. We have used for login button since it is feasible. I can share you this example how it is able to find the login button, and this can be used using the dev tools which are provided in any of the browsers. And if you see, we are able to find the login button using the CSS selector. And in the next sessions we will be seeing more advanced version of CSS selector which will give both speed and clarity. Thank you.